Okay, Perodua Myvi Lagi best version 2012 to 2014. Installed for Cogoo Android Plus series CG-01082, 2GB RAM, big screen Android GPS player with OEM big screen casing. So it's a big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. Okay, OEM power socket plug and play and OEM steering control socket. Okay, show for radio. So you can choose the frequency you want. Example 92.9. Then save it. Okay, equalizer. So 10 band equalizer. Sorry. A full menu. So it's got a video RCA video input and video output. Bluetooth pairing with your phone Bluetooth calling. Click for the music icon, Bluetooth music. Log in Gmail to download app. Setting, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect your phone hotspot for internet. Download Waze, YouTube, Spotify or others app from Play Store. So Android version 7.1, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage. Factory setting 8317 for password. Okay, you can change your boot logo and wallpaper. A brake inspection. Then you can play video when you're driving. Back car setting is for your reverse camera setting, reverse line. You can change your background, long press to change background, and you can move your icon. Okay, nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen when you're driving. The radio will, or music still will keep on playing. So press anyway to turn it on. Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or clear all. Back to home. Change language. So this is Cogoo Android Plus series, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage and 2 USB slot. USB extension we'll put in the drawer. Okay, with OEM casing, big screen casing, and OEM socket plug and play. Buy one piece. Thank you.